In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix cellular error on iPhone. If your phone shows cellular error, cellular issue detected, SOS, no service, or searching, follow these steps in order. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap the airplane mode switch to turn it on. You will see a small airplane icon appear in the top corner, and your signal bars will disappear. Wait at least 15 seconds so your phone fully disconnects from all networks. Then tap the airplane mode switch again to turn it off. Give it a few more seconds and watch for your carrier name and signal bars to come back at the top of the screen. Next, restart your iPhone. Power it off using the normal shutdown method for your model. Then wait a few seconds with the screen completely black. Turn it back on and wait for the lock screen to appear. After it finishes booting, look at the top of the screen and see if your signal bars and carrier name have returned. Now check that cellular data is enabled. Go back into Settings, then tap Cellular. On this screen you should see a switch labeled Cellular Data near the top. Make sure that switch is turned on, so it shows green. If you use Dual SIM or eSIM, tap your cellular plan shown under Cellular Plans, then check that Turn on this line is enabled. When this line is off, the phone keeps Wi-Fi but completely disables that mobile plan. From there, check whether a carrier settings update is available. First, connect your iPhone to a Wi-Fi network so it has a stable internet connection. Then open Settings, tap General, and tap About. Leave this screen open for several seconds. If a carrier update is available, a pop-up will appear asking you to update carrier settings. Tap Update to install it. When it finishes, restart your iPhone so those new network settings are fully applied. Then check the signal at the top of the screen again. After that, update iOS itself. Go back to Settings. Tap General, then tap Software Update. Your iPhone will check for any available updates. If you see a new version ready to install, tap to download and install it. Then allow the phone to restart. Once it is back on, unlock it and look to see whether your cellular connection has come back. If you are traveling outside your normal country or carrier area, review your roaming settings. Open Settings, tap Cellular, then tap Cellular Data Options. On the next screen, tap Data Roaming and set it to On. This allows your iPhone to connect to partner networks when you are abroad, but remember that roaming can add extra charges depending on your plan. If the error still continues, reset your network settings. Go to Settings, tap General, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset, then tap Reset Network Settings. Confirm when your iPhone asks. The screen will go dark and the phone will restart. After it comes back on, your saved Wi-Fi networks, passwords, cellular settings, and VPN settings will be cleared, and you will need to reconnect to Wi-Fi again. You have now walked through the core iPhone steps Apple recommends to fix most cellular errors and restore your signal. If this helped you get your service back, a quick thumbs up helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more clear iPhone fix guides.